Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a fantastic day, making money left, right, and center today. Very, very exciting day. Looking really good, looking really strong. Everyone's making money, right? I hope you're all making money. It's a day today to make money really, really easily. Remember, though, you have to take your profits because we can't have this running forever. Not at all. So I've just sold some Virgin Galactic. I've sold some Tesla. About to sell Tilray. In fact, any second now, it should go through. Let's look at Tilray right now. We want to take profits, and I've already placed the money. I know exactly what I'm doing with it. Right, here we are. Tilray Brands, 254. It's right on the button now to sell half my position. Well, it's actually a quarter of my position overall because I hold it on my main account as well. I'm just selling half of my Roth IRA. No tax implications. I can do what I like as many times as I want. So let's go through it. We're looking very, very strong today. Got to take some profits along the way. There's no point just giving it all back at the end of the day. So here is my Roth IRA, all-time highs now. Even though I've sold, I've now got $765 in the bank. I've got another $600-700 about to turn up any second now. And what have I done with it? Remember, there's no point selling stocks if you don't know what you want to do with it. It's like playing chess. No point playing chess if you don't know what your next move's going to be. No point just moving and then going, what happens next? What is the sense of that? You've got to know. Oh, let me just check the lights. Sorry, I thought my lights were wrong then. You've got to know exactly what to do with the next move. So what have I done? There's my overall position, all-time high today, and I've got nearly $4,000 in cash. More dividends on the way today. Roth IRA is all-time high despite selling my Virgin Galactic, some Tesla, and other shares as well. We'll discuss it in a second. We're still up, and we're about to sell Tilray. It should have gone through. It's gonna go through any second. So all-time high is 55,581, which is great because considering I've also got money. I've been buying Polygon for my business that I do with my NFTs. Look, you can see I transferred it to my Robinhood wallet, and that is up. I can send it back and trim off the top. I don't need $175 a Polygon. That'll last me a million years. It's like 1 cent a trade, gas fees. So that's the only reason why I bought it, because it was down 4%. It's gone up now, so I've got that money there as well. So that's all looking good. All right, we're all looking good. We're making money, right? That's what it's all about. So what have I sold? What have I sold? Let's go over to it. And what have I done with it, more importantly? So all-time high now, 41,116, looking extremely good. Let me just adjust that a little bit. Let me zoom in there a little bit. Let me drop that down there. Let me take that over there. There we go. That's a bit better, right? That looks a bit better. Don't quite know why it was so... I'll do it there, shall I? Yeah, I'll leave it there. Right, so let's have a look. The S&P, it's riding high today, my all-time high. I've never been 7.72 on the S&P. I've already trimmed, don't want to do it again. It's in balance. 35% of my portfolio should be what you have in your main account, in my opinion anyway. Procter & Gamble. So, defensive stocks. We are overbought today. We're getting all carried away. Everybody's thinking we're turning bullish. Procter & Gamble is a defensive stock. So, I sold my Virgin Galactic at the top, where it is right now, just a few seconds ago before I came on air. And I bought Procter & Gamble, which is down. Why is it down? Because everyone is selling defensive stocks to buy the rally. So you want to be ahead of the game. You want to sell before everybody else. You want to buy before everybody else. So I wasn't trying to time the market or beat the market. But for me, whatever that was in a day, 12% on, 10.5% in a day on Virgin Galactic was more than enough for me. So I took my profit and I bought Procter & Gamble. I was down on Procter & Gamble by 2%. I'm now down by 0.69. Plus, I will get that free dividend. So I've now got 3 shares of Procter & Gamble. Very, very sensible. Take profit to buy when everybody's dumping something else. And you can't get better than J&J and Procter & Gamble, right? So I bought that. Very, very nice. In fact, why have I got it open twice? Why have I got it open twice? The S&P, I've already got that one open. Hang on a minute. I've got two. I got things open twice here for some reason. Anyway, Procter and Gamble. I also, because I like the ETF. I like the ETF of the staples. We are overbought right now. Everyone's going crazy, so they're dumping all the staples. Staples. You can't go wrong with this one as well. This is another good ETF. It's like VU, but the safety stocks and. You might say, well, why would you want that if the markets turn bullish? Because you still want a staple to hold your portfolio up. Nothing goes straight up. And this pays great dividends, right? Great dividends. Okay, so it is, where is my dividend payout on this one? Let me just scroll it. 30-day yield 221, so it's really, really good. And its top 10 are Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Walmart, Costco. Now these companies still make money just because they're defensive. They're still going to make money, but they're getting sold to buy the high risk. So you've made 10% on a high risk stock to buy a defensive. It makes sense in my book. So I bought 2 shares of that and I was down on it and now I'm up on it already. I was down 2%. I'm up on it already. So I'm making money plus the dividends. So there you go. Virgin Galactic is still going. Now, I've sold my position today. I'm out today of my day position, but I've still got my long-term position, which is up 22%. So I'm still all in. It can run all the way to 30, 40 bucks now, and I am in and I will gain it. But I did sell my Roth because I wouldn't be surprised if at the end of the day we go all the way down to 4 again and I can buy it all over again. All right, what else have I done? I sold Rumble right at the top. Why did I sell Rumble right at the top? Because it's clear. It doesn't make money. It loses money. Look at it on its chart. Look, right down there. It's overbought. Everyone's getting carried away for some reason, but it all bounces around in this channel. So sell it at the top. The chart tells you what to do. If you're a chart reader, for me, I'm not. I just look at the balance sheet, but it was obvious. So I took it and sold a profit right at the top. That's that one taken care of. Then we moved on to Mullen. I'm not touching Mullen. Not touching it at all. A lot of people are getting excited about it, but I'm not buying it. Rivian. I own a bit of it on my brokerage account. I'm 13% down. I'm not selling it until I get out of it. Tesla. I said to you I would sell it at 188.89. I just sold 2 shares of Tesla. I'm still at 24% and I banked the cash. Look, the money is in the bank. The money is in the bank, tax-free. I can sell it. No profit, no tax. All good, right? Brilliant. So I made 10%. 10% is great. 10%, fantastic. I've taken the 2 shares that I bought for 188.89, sold them for a wash. Made no money on those stocks. Doesn't matter. I bought those not knowing it was going to go down. So I got my money back on those stocks. And now my average is 171. But they're all now in their 180s now. They're not in their 190s anymore. 89, 190s. So I'm in a much stronger position. And if we get a dip back down today, at some point we will, possibly tomorrow, I can then buy back my 189 shares. My 2 shares that I bought for $189 for maybe 180. So I made $10 on the way up and $10 on the way down. And we'll do it again. So that's good. Very, very pleased with that. Lucid is rallying, but it's ridiculous now, ridiculously overpriced. It's only worth $6 at most, even if you want to discount the fact it loses money, $500,000 on cars. Overbought, it's starting to come back down. I don't want to be around at the end of the day when and if we get dips and drops and so on and so forth. Amazon's rising again. So is Apple. McDonald's is getting cheaper. It's another source of funds being dumped. I want to get into McDonald's. I'm holding back. 12% is still pretty good, but it's very, 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 very expensive. Good dividends, solid company. Strong buy, all the analysts love it, except we want to get it back a little bit. It pays a very nice dividend, 160, my last dividend payout. How many shares did I have for that? 152 a share, so it's really good just buying it for the dividend. However, we want to get that down. All right, we want to get that down. It's coming back down now. So as soon as if it can drop another 5-6%, I will buy that. Coca-Cola is down 2% today. I'm still up on it, but this is a time for me to get back in. My average is 60, just over 60 cents, $60. It's 61. It's not bad now. I could use the money, but I've got enough. It's 5% of my main account, and it is 9% of my Roth IRA, and I'm up on it on the Roth, so I don't need to buy any more. What else should I buy? J&J. I bought J&J with my Tesla shares. Very nice indeed. Down 1.72 today. You can see what's happening. Everyone's giving up the defensive for the high risk. Crazy. You've always got to balance it on both sides. Let's read some of these comments. Oh, and I bought some more Walmart. I said to you I would wait for it to come down, but I'm up on. I've just bought one share of it. And remember, one share is still $148. It's a good dividend. I'm up on it already, and I'm happy. I would like to get it cheaper, and what I'll do, it's my main marker share. Every time it drops, if it drops, I'll add. It might not happen. Doesn't matter. I've got one position anyway. Right, so that's what I've done. Welcome, Steve. Welcome, Mike. Hassan, good afternoon. Craig, good afternoon. Zahink, yo, there he is, Mr. Zach. Mike says hello. Craig, what a day for space. Mike, hi, Zink. Evening troops, Keaton S. Hassanel, we need Virgin Galactic lights in your studio. Do we? All right, let's do it. Virgin Galactic, there you go. The Virgin Galactic studio is once again back. There you go. You like that? You're going to give me a super chat for that? It's got to be worth 99 cents, right? It's got to be worth 99 cents. Because the pink lights cost more electric. Much more than the green. Oh, yeah. Much more than the green. I'm having a latte. Lovely. All right. Hassan. Hassan. Right. Let's see what he does about that. Walmart, Tesco, it's coming back down, but it's a bit too expensive. Next era energy, well, it is too expensive right now. You buy it at 6. Next era energy, I'm still down 2%. The solar isn't doing much today. HYXZEI has just subscribed. Thank you very much indeed. Bitcoin is up today, 0.5%. Tilray Brands, I haven't sold it yet. It's to sell. A good chunk of change at 254. That's what I want to do. I said I would once I got above my wash for my oldest stocks, and then I can trim back. That's what we're waiting to do. Which top? Because there's a new top. Which top? Because there's a new top. Because it keeps changing, doesn't it? I bought it about here. I sold it around about the 490, something like that. Yeah, it's carried on going. I don't care. I do not care, because remember, when it falls, which eventually it will, it'll be sold quickly, and the defensives will already start going up. Because the moment the high risk sells, the defensives start getting bought up. So if you sell near the top, today's near top, you get out, you can buy the defensives before everybody else starts buying them back up again. Procter & Gamble, VDC, all my staples. All right? That's what I did. And I'm very happy to do that. J&J. They're not gonna stay down low. Once all the high-risk stocks sell, you'll be buying back in there again. I want to get out first. I'm not trying to time the market. I'm not trying to beat anyone. I just want to make money consistently. Will space hit its highs before or just after the launch? I say just before the launch, and then it will all trim off on the launch. Absolutely. In my opinion. That's what it normally does. Procter & Gamble is a good buy, Martin. Thank you very much, B. I'm happy with that. Eric B. I'm happy with that. I think it's a good buy right now. I think it's oversold right now. It provides it's not quite oversold according to the RSI, but I'm happy with it, because for me it's an all-time low. It's been lower, of course it has. 30 years ago, it was a lot lower than it was today. However, it's a good company, makes profit. It's like J&J, and I want to own them both. Good dividends. And am I right in saying, Eric, now I own J&J, Coca-Cola, and Procter, I'm going to have a dividend every month, right? Is that right? I got that right? I think I have. You keep some space for the flights. Yes, indeed. Of course I will. I want to be in on the game. I want to be part of it. Of course I do. Can you imagine being the #1 YouTube channel for SPCE stock and you've got no stock when it flies? I mean, it's like, it'd be embarrassing, wouldn't it? I thought you were bullish. Well, yeah. No, of course not. Of course not. I've got my main position there, and there's no reason why I need to sell that. No reason. That would be silly. I mean, it would be silly. Anyway, we're also trying to trim off Robinhood as well. So we're going to end up, even though I bought Procter & Gamble and J&J and VDC, I'm still in a position to... Hassan did it as well, bless him. That's nice, isn't it? I was only joking. Hassan just paid $5 for the Virgin Galactic lights. I think that's very nice, don't you? For the Virgin Galactic lights. I think in that case, just for you, we'll do the smoke as well. You'll do the smoke. Just for you, Hassan, as you paid $5 to turn the Virgin Galactic studio Virgin Galactic colours, the least we could do is pump out the smoke and make it look proper. All right? Thank you very much for the super chat. Look at that lovely stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Excellent. Thanks a lot, mate. Virgin Galactic 14.5 up. Is that 14.5% now? I'm presuming you're saying so. Virgin, I'm up 22% on my main account. So you can see what I'm saying when I sell it and people go, why are you selling it? Well, I am up 22% on my main account. They are separate. They should be treated separately. Okay. Today, our J&J went ex-dividend, passive income on its way. Today, our J&J went ex-dividend, Martin, passive income on its way. Ooh, lovely stuff, Eric B. We love all that. Darren P. Why are this guy's numbers so low in terms of views, like subs, etc.? Darren P. The reason my numbers are low, if that's what you're saying, first of all, I've only been doing it 2 years. Number one. Number two, unlike other YouTubers, I do not make thumbnails to get you to watching clickbait. I don't do that. And what I'm building is a much stronger audience. It takes a lot more time. It's a lot slower, but I'm building oak trees rather than flimsy little pine trees like the Wolf of Dubai. Because the moment you make up silly stories, people watch. Because you're saying it's going to go to 1 million or go bankrupt. People watch that. However, they don't support you. I have my average viewership is over 4 hours a day per person, and 95% of my live viewers are members. The highest on YouTube by a mile. Mr. Beast, and one of the biggest channels in the world, 8 to 9% is members. Mine are 95%, the highest ratio in the world when it comes to members. So I am building slowly, but I am building better. And it takes time and it's harder work, but your members and your family and your audience are more loyal. They watch all the shows, they follow everything, they're all members, they all support you. That's why. If I wanted to make clickbait, I'd get more views, but I'd get a load of people that don't care about the channel coming in, talking rubbish, and it's not what I want to do. So that's the reason, Darren P. Anyway, become part of the family, become part of the membership, and my God, why have I got an itchy nose again? Why do I always have an itchy nose? Never used to have an itchy nose when I was in my 30s. Yay, new member. Oh, hang on. We got our smoke out now.
Can we do a poll who wants Martyn to grow a goatee for the show?
I missed it. I'll play it again. I missed it. Let me play that again. Hang on a minute. Alerts. Go to my alert box. Recent events. Here we go. Hang on. I missed that one. Let's do it again.
Craig has become a member. Can we do a poll who wants Martyn to grow a goatee for the show?
Can we do a poll who wants Martyn to grow a goatee for the show? Oh my God.
Craig has become a member. Can we do a poll who wants Martyn to grow a goatee for the show?
Can you believe it? Well, You are a member, so, I got no choice, really. I've got to do it. You're not going to make 20,000 buying P&G. Should have kept your money if there's a dip in the morning. Hey, I can sell P&G. It's already going up. Don't worry about that. Hey, everyone. Jojo S. Hey, Crag. Good afternoon. Get 'em, says Ed Nevius. Hi, Crag. Hi, gents. Malk UK. Juan Carlos. It seems I wasn't that wrong on my comments last Friday regarding space. I don't think it's going down until the day of the flight. Thoughts on Foot Locker? I have truly, Jason, I have no thoughts on it. Become a member and I can review it for you and cover it for you and research it and so on and so forth. It's what I do for my members. Let me give everyone the membership link right now. Here we go. Here is the membership. Oops, hang on a minute. And that's why 95% of my live viewers are members. The highest ratio on any channel on YouTube, I've checked. Hey, Steve Johnson, how are you? I'm great. What do you think about Foot Locker? I don't know. I'll research it. And here we go. Here comes the sell-off. Here comes the sell-off. I got a super chat from Hassan Al, who loved the light. I got the smoke out now for you. I've let the smoke go away. I need to make the lights move. Look at this. All right. Here you go. Here you go. Here comes the Virgin Galactic Studio lights. This is because Hassan L gave me $5. Here it comes. We're in Virgin Galactic Studio now. What should I do with my 200 shares of Mullen? I am down over $300. I think keep it for a short squeeze, and then if you can get your money back, get out. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. When to the moon, Rob Brennan, best YouTube channel in the world. Martin, making YouTube great again. I like that. I like that. Congrats. And yes, just like Walter Smith, BB. I like it. Walter Hockite, the day that was, something like that. Anyway, here come all the lights for Hassan. Did you sell Tesla? Like I said I would. 2 shares off the top. Yes, yes, yes. Tesla now 189. I sold 2 off the top. There you go. You like that? Hassan L, that's especially for you, right? That's especially for you. We'll go back to Virgin Galactic now, and the whole market is now selling off. But it doesn't bother me because I've made my profit left, right, and center. And there you go. All right? Is that good? Is that good? And we can give a little bit of this color as well, just to bring it out. This is the Virgin Galactic Studio, especially for Hassan. He said, I want to see the Virgin Galactic Studio, and he gave me $5, so it's the least I could do. You're very welcome, mate. We're still ramping up. The smoke's just coming up. It's not quite there yet. You can see it getting there now, though. You can see it getting there now. There you go. All right. There you go. There you go. Welcome, 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 everybody. Good, isn't it? How about that? All right, let's go back to the show, and we'll leave it on there for the minute. All right, bring in my spotlight so I can see myself, so I look good on camera as well. There you go. Do you see how I do that? Look, those spotlights are what go on me. See that? Look, boom. No lights on me. Lights on me. Back to here. No lights on me. Lights on me. Look better with the lights on me. Of course I do, right? All right, there you go. Bit of fun. Right, Virgin Galactic's now trimming off. We are out. We took our position, and we also sold Tesla as well. 180 right here. I sold literally just before I came on air. I'm offloading the risky stuff from my portfolio and loading up on quality now. Jojo S, absolutely down she goes. She's going down now. The whole thing is going down, and it won't bother me in the slightest. It won't bother me in the slightest. Let's have a look. My overall portfolio is all-time high. My Roth IRA is all-time high. 55 all-time highs, all looking good. I'll get all the hate in the morning, I'm sure, when they see the video. You sold it. I can't believe it. All right, then. Fair enough, then. And down goes the S&P. I've got $4,000 to buy it when it goes down. Procter & Gamble going sideways. You watch Procter & Gamble now start to go up. When the high risk sells off, people take their profits and they buy it. But I've already bought it. I'm already in. And you can see, look, I was 2% down. Look, and I'm flat on it already in minutes, okay? So, plus dividends, remember. right? Virgin Galactic just trimming off. I've sold my Roth position. Look, one share left. One lonely share of Virgin Galactic. But hang on. Go to my other account, and there are my 336 shares. So I'm still 21% up. I'm not selling that. I'm holding that. I sold rum. See why I sold rum? I sold it right at the top. Right thing to do. Mullen, rubbish. Rivian, Tesla, trimming off. So now what we want to do, I want to buy more Tesla, but I'm only going to buy it now if I can lower my average. So in other words, below 171. No point buying it at 180. There's no point. I want to buy it at 170 and start to bring that down. In the words of Jasper Carrot, polish your Eid for a quid. Polish your head for a quid. In the words of Jasper Carrot, polish your head for a quid. I love it. I love it. That's very good. Right, apparently we need to have a poll. This is from, who was it who asked for this poll? Who was it who asked for this? Whoever it was who did a super chat celebration, someone asked for it. Who was it? Was it Crag? Was it Crag? It was someone who someone did a whatever it was. Should I get a goatee? All right, it was one of you. It's nice to see my retail investor finally realizing that Mullen is a black colt. It was Crag, from Crag. There we go, from Crag. Right? Should I get a goatee? Like who's it? Who's the bloke? Jim Cramer, right? Yes to the goatee, or no to the goatee? Yeah, it was me. Thought so. Thought it was. Right. Should I get a goatee from Crag? Yes or no? Okay, here we go. Like Jim Cramer. All right, there you go. Let's see what everyone says to that. Okay, we just sold Tilray. Yes, we just sold 200 shares of Tilray for a profit. Oh, now markets are dropping now.
Eric donated $2. Goatee. 27.429555575 Doge.
Right, as someone has tipped me a wonderful Doge tip, let's talk about Doge. If you do that, if you give me a super chat for your favorite crypto, not only does it read your name out and everything else, we have a quick discussion about it. All right? What do you think of Doge?
Eric donated $2. Goatee. 27.429555575 Doge.
Thank you very much, Eric B. Well, let's have a look at it. This is my Doge position, and Eric B just gave me it's completely free to do that. No gas fees. It's instant pretty much. martynlucas.com/tip, and you can celebrate your favorite crypto tip. And for that amount of money, he gets about a minute on the screen with promoting his tip. His crypto. There you go if you want to do it. So Dogecoin, we all know that it's Elon's favorite crypto. It's very volatile. Right now, though, we've got a little bit of a discount on it. I'm down 2.8. Now, I don't hold it on my Robinhood. When I buy it, if I buy it, I send it across to my wallet. However, I can't send Doge to my wallet, not my Robinhood wallet. It's only Ethereum and Polygon network at the moment. More are coming. When I get it on Coinbase, and I hold it as part of our crypto challenge. Ali likes it and says I should be buying it on dollar cost averaging at the moment. And now is a good time. So thank you very much. We are down 2.8 on it. Overall, so for me, that's a good tip from you. Dogecoin, what do you think about it? It's got a lot of use cases. It's fun. You got the volatility of Elon Musk. It's a bit of fun, and it's very quick to send. Minimum gas fees. So that's why we like it. So thank you very much indeed to Eric for bringing Dogecoin to the attention of the world. All right, I think your ratings will double with the goatee. Is Crag selling the goatee? Yeah, he is. He's selling it, and then I'm going to buy it and then stick it on my face. So anyway, let's have a look at where we are right now. Let's go over to my position. Tesla's now, I just sold it right at the top. Fantastic. I've trimmed it back. Now it can go back now. Now it can go back down to 170 and I can buy it again. Put the Doge on your ledger. I was going to put it on my... It was going to stay in my crypto, in my Coinbase. Why do you say the ledger? Why do you say ledger? Let me undo my tie. Sod it. I'm going to go for undoing my tie today. Oh, there you go. I don't know why. There you go. How often do I do that? Never. Look at that scruffy old bugger. Look at that. Look, can you believe it? Never do that. I'm doing it today. I feel like it. How about that? Why do you say that? If you get a Jim Cramer goatee, hope for the markets pump when you call a bear market. You never know. Right. Kevin Graham has liked the stream. Thank you for liking my stream on Facebook. It really helps me grow there as well. Good stuff. The staples are just still going down. Virgin Galactic, here we go. We're getting the first drop of the day. I'm out on my day position. I've got money now lining up to come on in. 765. There it is. My Roth IRA. Oh no, it's $1,200 now. Look at that. Nice. That's because I just sold part of my Tilray. $1,200. Excellent stuff indeed. All right, I like it. Now then, got another little thing here for you. I need to go to this screen if I'm going to do this. Here's my little win screen. My little win screen. Not as in windscreen, but windscreen. Does that make sense? Anyway, win $100 cash. We're giving it away. martynlucas.com/giveaway. I just put out a couple of little videos a minute ago to see if it could invite everybody. We're celebrating space. We're celebrating making money today on Tilray, and we're commiserating Mullen. So we're giving away $100 for free live on the show just because we like doing it. Just because it's fun, isn't it? I mean, it's great if you could just walk around giving money away. It's a bit of a laugh, isn't it? It's a bit of a laugh. So we're going to give $100 away for free. And let me see if anyone has done it in the last few minutes since I put this video out. All right. So this is what we did just a few minutes ago. I put out a few videos. I'll show you. Look. Subscribers are going up. They like winning free money. That's nice. There you go. The videos are starting to really pop up now. I've had a really busy day. Let's have a little look then. So, Virgin Galactic Go for Launch giveaway. That's had 42 views in the last couple of minutes. I only put it out just a minute ago. And Mullen giveaway as well. Look, we're giving Mullen money away as well. It's at 35 views in the last few minutes. And Tilray as well. Tilray in the last few minutes has had just 4 views, not as popular, but it's just come out literally 5 minutes ago. All right, so let's go to this screen and see if anybody thought, well, I'll have free money. If you're giving $100 away, I'll have it. I'll have it. All right, you're making money and just giving it to me. I'll have it. 3775. Let's refresh the screen. Has it gone up in the last few minutes? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3775, 3845. Get in. There you go. More people. And the more people that enter, the bigger cash prizes I can get, the bigger cash prizes I can give away. So if you want a $1,000 giveaway, take part, share, repost, retweet, you name it, and then I can give away $1,000. $1,000 cash in the show. Wouldn't that be great? That's better than Mr. Beast, isn't it? It'd be brilliant. Who wants $1,000? There you go, mate. $1,000. Bloody hell, mate. Thanks ever so much. No problem at all. Right. Virgin Galactic, giving up the ghost. I'm out. I'm done. I'm going to buy it all the way back down again. I like it. Perfect. All right, so we've got $4,000 sitting in the main account, earning 4.65, and we've got 1,271 sitting in the Roth IRA. I like that. Boom! Look at the money. Look at the money. Does that make you feel good? I won't do that again. That's not good, is it? Right, Eric. What are the use cases of Doge? U and O. I'm going to get Eric B to answer that. Eric B, U&O, he wants to know what are the use cases for Doge. I say ledger because I don't hold anything on the exchange, any self-custody wallet. Fair enough. Fair enough. I totally agree, and I've got my ledger, and I use it for that very same reason. But right now, though, Doge is part of our crypto challenge to sell. If I'm going to pay too much, what does it cost to move it onto the wallet? What does it cost to move it onto the wallet? Because the idea is I'm leaving all my money on my crypto Coinbase, and then when Ali says, right, sell 40% of your Doge, 40% of your XRP or whatever, that's when we'll sell it. So I don't want to pay to send it out and bring it back in again. I tell you what I did do today. I took my USD, I sold it all for cash. I get 4% on that, but I've sold it all for cash today. Once the debt ceiling gets fixed, I'm going to put it back, because if the debt ceiling didn't get fixed, the USD could be depegged again and I could buy it back cheaper. I could buy the USDC for maybe $8 if the debt ceiling gets buggered. But we will see. So I've only got a couple of days, so I'm only losing 4% for a couple of days. It's worth doing in my book. I say ledger, yes, yes, yes. Eric B, are you taking a pounding recently? Ledger, Eric B, Ledger are taking a pounding. U&O, we explained all about the ledger on my channel. A lot of false information. So I fixed that. We can have false information, so I fixed it. Go to my video page on the homepage. You can do it right now. Are you following along? Are you following along? I hope you are. If you look down here, a couple of days ago, I made a video. It's called Ledger, Truth or Myth, just a couple of days ago. Not many people watched it because they ain't bothered about stuff like this. For some reason, that they don't care about the security of their assets. They ain't bothered, but you should be. Anyway, there is the ledger. It's on the home page of the YouTube channel. Just go to videos. There you go, latest, and you'll find it. So if you want to know all about the pounding that you talk about, that Ledger are experiencing, I have the answer for you. All right. Give that green away. Let's go. It's fun, isn't it? Cost down 0.02 on Doge to send. Cost 0.02 to send, or 40. Oh my gosh. Less than 1,000th of a cent. Okay. All right. 1/10 of 1 cent. It's 1,000th of a cent. Okay. Nothing. Nothing then. Nothing at all. I like it. Very good. Very good. We need to do another bear dance to get Virgin Galactic to 3 for buy opportunity before lunch. Before launch, not before lunch. So far, I have enough profit to go buy a Doge truck, 4-door, 1-ton dually. Very nice, JP. How's the granddaughter? How's the granddaughter? Doing all right? Marvellous. All right. Here we go. So the markets are selling off now, but it won't affect me because I've already taken my profits. But we bought Procter & Gamble with it. We bought VDC with it, and we're making money on it. Safe money is coming back in again. Virgin Galactic is now trimming off. I've sold my day position, looking for a re-entry. $20,000 by Thursday. And nowhere near. Nowhere near, but we're on the way. Rum. Rum. It went back down. That's not enough for me, though. It's got to go lower than that. Mullen, giving up on that for now. Rivian, not there yet. Tesla, we sold at 188.5. Where we are now, I sold 2 shares of it. Trimmed it off the top. Apple, it's 2:39 in the afternoon. Here at Central Time. McDonald's is getting cheaper. Ooh, very good. Very good. It was like 18%. We're now down to 11.8. Like it. All the way down. Thank you very much. J&J, just bought some. It's going up now. Lowered my average. Thank you. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, NEE, Enphase, Bitcoin, Tilray. We sold it off the top. We trimmed our position. We took a profit. We're up on it. We got less to lose now. less to lose. We took that. We got our money out. I've still got 616 over here. I've still got 586 over here. That's plenty for a high risk stock that really I'm not that interested in. I'm interested in making money, but it's not a stock that thrills me. Robinhood. Now then, we've got a position on my brokerage account where I'm up 1.65. Great. I'm holding it long term, not selling it for tax reasons. On my Roth IRA, I'm down 0.27 now. Down 0.27. Once it goes above 930, I will trim back. I will make a profit on it. No need now just to sell it for a wash like I did with Tesla, because it's not overweighted like Tesla was. It's slightly overweighted, but I don't need to just sell it for a wash. I can sell it for a profit and then take it. All right, so that's what we're going to do there. IonQ, we're waiting for this decline to come. That never does, but it will one day. It has to. What goes up has to come down eventually. All right. Anyway, we got 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let's have a little look, see if we got any more. So 3845 a minute ago. Let's have a look now. Oh, hello. Danny333 is following me on Facebook. Thank you for the follows. Absolutely brilliant. I can't believe how quickly Facebook's growing all of a sudden. I never had anything on Facebook, and now it just seems to grow all the time. Right, 3845. You ready? Let's refresh it. 38. Look at that. It worked. My little promotion, my little promotion worked. People like free money, see? If you give people free money, they like it. They go, well, I mean, I might as well. If you're going to give all your money away, I'll take it. It's obvious, isn't it? So anyway, that's what's happening right now. It's all good fun, isn't it? Right. How many people we got watching so far? 100 people been through the stream. That's all right, isn't it? We're running our poll over there on the Twitter, and the poll was is it Virgin Galactic? Are we doing that again? Let me scroll down. There's Robinhood Forex, Virgin Galactic. Oh, Mullen. Yeah, this is the one. Mullen. Is it all over for Mullen? 56% now say it's all good. There's no problem at Mullen. Everything's great. Don't worry about Mullen. Mullen's brilliant. Not quite sure I can see that on the chart, but that's the sort of stuff we get here. Look, we're only down about 99% this year. Look, yeah, 96%. It's all good at Mullen. It's all good. It's brilliant. I can't wait for a stock that does badly. But anyway, it's all good with Mullen right now, according to my vote. So if you don't agree with the vote, have your say. 17 votes, 6 days left, and apparently it's all good with Mullen right now. Anyway, we shall see. You can win points in our competition just by voting. Isn't it amazing? I know you can't believe it, can you? You can't believe it. I can't believe it half the time. I wake up every morning and go, I can't believe it. Anyway, if you're over there on Rumble, click the follow button. Love you. Let's have a look. Anybody on Rumble right now? Let's have a look. Eric B's there and Midnight Oil, my regulars over on Rumble. This is Rumble right now. So click the follow. And, Juan Carlos is now following me on Facebook as well. I can't believe it. There you go. People are following me everywhere. Following the leader. What's it all about? Anyway, let's have a quick look at let's have a quick look at Rumble. We made the homepage this morning, so it's all right, isn't it? That's all right. Let's go and look again, shall we? We want to be up here. We want to be like the biggest star in the world. That's what we want. But we're not there yet. We'll get there though, right? We'll become the biggest channel in the world, right? That's what we want. That's why I go live 10 hours a day. On the finance section, I'm third on the list. All right, I'm third today. I'll take it. I've only been doing it 2 weeks. What's wrong with you? Anyway, Mullen is strong and resilient like the regional banks. Ace is being Very sarcastic there. Lucky day to save you from Margin. Oh, here he goes again. Inbound Margin. This is Margin the Palmer. He changed his name because he thought, if I change my name, he won't know who I am. Bloody hell, it's my channel and I know everything what goes on. I know everything that goes on. You can't pull the wool over my eyes, Mr. Margin the Palmer. Anyway, inbound XCX. Overall portfolio up. Roth IRA up. Everything's great, right? We took our profits up de doo-dah. Right. There's our Dogecoin. We talked about it just a few moments ago when Eric was celebrating his Dogecoin and getting very excited about it. So what are we going to do now? We got 15 minutes to go. I am not selling anything else now. I've made plenty of sales today. Very, very happy. Not buying the S&P yet. It's got to go down. Procter & Gamble, it's starting to come up. I'm now about to make money on Procter & Gamble. I've got 3 shares of it. I'm no sheep. I'm a duck. Well, I'm glad you mentioned that. I don't understand it, but I'm glad you're not a sheep, you're a duck. It's Stephen Lewandowski liked it on Facebook as well. Look at that. Very nice indeed. Make sure you like it. Make sure. Very, very important. Virgin Galactic is up 12.73. We like that as well. Now then, where are we going? What I want to see is it going down in the morning or going down in the after hours. Now, it doesn't matter if it doesn't. Why? Because my long-term position, I'm up 21%. I'm not bothered, right? I've still got money, and I'm not selling it until it goes to $30 to trim off the top. No point. Stephen just popped in. Stephen, bloody hell, Stephen. You're on Facebook. You're on YouTube. You're liking on Facebook, and now you popped up on flipping Rumble. What's going on here? Let's get ready to rumble. What's going on? How can you possibly be in so many places at the same time? I don't know what it's all about. Anyway, just sold my space for 12% profit. Congratulations, Rich. That is it. And remember, if you are making money out of Virgin Galactic, you are doing better than Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic isn't making any money, and they've got billions to make money, and they're not making any money. You're making money? That's brilliant. I'm very proud of you. Rich, well done. Well done indeed. All right. I will buy it back when it goes down. I want to be in for the flight, but then if it goes down and I don't make any money out of the last trade, it won't matter. I made money out of all the trades in between. I don't think it's going down. I think tomorrow another 10% up. Dear, is that what you think? Well, we shall see. We shall see. And if it goes up 10%, that's great. I've got money in it, but I'm not going to buy it at this price now. No FOMO here. No FOMO here, because I used the money, and I've already used the money to buy Procter & Gamble, VDC. I also bought J&J and probably something else. I can't remember. I lost a good 12 grand as well, mate, when it was 60. So you know what I'm saying. You've been there, right? I'm not selling space now. Jojo S is not selling it. I am not selling it, he says. All right? Listen to my words. I am not selling space. All right. Congratulations, Rich. If you make profit, you make profit, right? Here we go. Robinhood. So close from making some money on Robinhood. At 9:30 is where, because there's no, I could sell it for a wash right now. Brilliant. However, Craig liked the stream. Craig McKee. You liked the stream on Facebook. Thanks ever so much. Make sure you watch me on YouTube, though. But it helps if you like the stream. Have I just got a number one? The number one member on the team. Snowball became the number one member on the team. Hey, Snowball. I've no idea who Snowball is, but it sounds good. Snowball just became the number one member on my team. Did you know? I bet you didn't know this. None of you knew this, right? You're thinking, what are you talking about? You have a team? Yeah, I have a team. I have a team. I'll show you what I mean now. Look. Over here on TikTok, I have a team, 33,000 people. All right? And I've got teams. You didn't even know this, did you? You just don't know how famous I am. Look, there he is. Look. Right. Snowball, I'm from Sweden. Well, we've got people here from Gothenburg and Stockholm. Come on in. We're on YouTube. Links, the main show's on YouTube. We've got thousands over here. Right? Snowball, look, I'm from Sweden. Look, he's on the screen. Look now. Watch this. Watch this in about 10 seconds, all right? Just keep watching. It's about 10, 15. There you go. Look, there's you. Snowball, there is you on YouTube. All right? You are now famous, not only on TikTok, but you're on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, multiple websites, Rumble, I don't know. Did I say Facebook? Basically everywhere. Snowball, you are now my favorite. There you go. My favorite. There's you. There is you. Just there. Look at that. Isn't it brilliant? All right. All right. Brilliant. If you click the little star and become a subscriber, right, I will tag you in my viral content. If you want to grow on TikTok, all right, I've got 33,000 followers. I will do a little video for you where I'll tag you in it if you become a subscriber. I think you might have done. Is that a subscriber badge you got there? Do we still think Mullen is a go? No, we don't. No, we don't. Anyway, we're giving away $100 in cash on YouTube. If you want to join us, come and join us. $100 today. If you don't want it, stay where you are. All right. Let's go back to YouTube right now. Let's have a look. I trimmed. I'm not selling space now. I trimmed 200 shares off, hopefully by 300 if it gets a dip in the morning. Thank you, Ed. Thanks, Ed. Cheers. Cheers. Thank you. Bye. Cheers. Hello. It can't go to space. It can't go to space like a penny stock anyway. So towards $6 or even $7 before they go to space. That's right. When it goes above $5, it's no longer a penny stock. All right. It's a penny stock at $5 or less. Welcome in, Rich. Welcome in, says Ed Nevius. Everybody's welcoming everybody. Can you answer why I've been holding for a while now? Stephen Lewandowski, oh my God. Do we still... Stephen Lewandowski is now on bloody TikTok as well. This is getting ridiculous. How can you possibly be on TikTok as well? The man's a flipping genius. Look at that. Either that or he's a flipping lunatic. There we go. Look, he'll appear on YouTube in a few seconds. All right, keep watching. The answer to your question is no. I don't think Mullen is a good buy right now at all. Just because it's cheap. Don't buy something because it's cheap. Cheap isn't good. We don't like cheap. We like quality. Anyway, scalped M-bot all day and shorting high breakdown, says Ed Nevius. All right, Virgin Galactic now is trimming off. Excellent stuff. And the portfolio is coming down and the defensives are taking over. The defenses are taking over again. All right, we got 6 minutes to go. 6 minutes to go. We're up today. And Roth IRA is up as well. PG just going sideways. VDC slightly down since I bought it. Isn't that always the way? Virgin Galactic starting to trim. Rumble still too expensive. Virgin Orbit going back down. Mullen going back down again. I mean, this could go to like 5 cents in a minute. The way it is, it's just ridiculous. There's no faith in it. And I've explained it why on a special video. For that person on TikTok, oh, we got another subscriber. Where did that come up? I missed it. We got another subscriber. Someone just become my 4th subscriber on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. I'll check at the end of the day and I'll tag you in my viral posts. So if you want to, thank Snowball for subscribing. Snowball just did it. He's got a Luca badge. Snowball, look at you, look. Right, I want to do something for you now, Snowball, because you've subscribed to me. You've paid good money, right? I want to give you the chance to win $100. Everybody on YouTube, if a guy comes into YouTube from TikTok called Snowball, all right, I want everyone to give him a welcome. Snowball, nip into YouTube right now, and I'm going to put you in my $100 cash giveaway. It's the least I could do for you subscribing to me. It's Martyn Lucas, what is it? It's youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as this channel. If you come out of this channel, you'll see my all links button. You'll see the YouTube channel. You'll also see the link on the homepage of my profile on TikTok. Jump on into YouTube. Say, I'm from TikTok. I just became a member. I want to be in your draw. Everybody will welcome you in, and we'll put you into. It's free to win $100. You might as well do it. All right. I'll wait for you. He's bound to do it. He's a proper geezer. He just became a member, so he's bound to be. He's not a bot or he's not any of those scammers we get on TikTok, right? Good trading today, Ed, and me, Malcolm Webb. Malcolm Webb, who just liked it on Facebook as well. Thank you, Malcolm Webb. We need to do a fundraiser account for Leah next month so she can scalp too. That's not a bad idea. We had a good time. Nice play, Eric. Oh, by the way, Ed Nevius, thank you very much. Thank you, Malk, for liking the stream. Ed, thank you for your tip the other day. Me and Leah had a wonderful meal. Thank you very, very much indeed. We went to our favourite Saltgrass down the road, had a nice steak. Thank you so much. She really, really appreciated it. Thank you very much, Ed. All right, Ed, thank you for that. Very much. She didn't have to cook that night, because normally I tie her to the sink and say, hey, cook me dinner. I didn't have to do it. Hey, Felician. Felician, are you from France? Are you from France, Felician? Are you from France? Remind me. Because if you are, I've got a surprise for you. Not seen him for ages. I've not seen Felician for ages. What country are you from? What's your native language? I think it's France. I might be wrong. Probably am. Wrong all the time. PG is starting to come up. VDC. We're going to get a little bit of a rally here when all the high risk is washed back out again. That's what we want. I'm happy for you too. Thank you. Thank you very much, says Ed. Rum. Virgin Orbit. Good, good, good. We are down to 2 minutes to go. Let's get ready to rock and roll. OUI. I don't know what OUI is. Does anyone know what OUI is? Not from France, he's from OUI. Felician, I don't know what OUI is. I'm sorry, I don't know. Virgin Galactic. 2 minutes to go. Mullen, Rivian. We sold off the top of Tesla. Lucid, Apple, Amazon. Means yes in French, Martin. Okay. Well, it means yes in French. I thought it was French. Okay. Right, we've got a minute to go. I'm going to do a special thing here for our French guest today, Felician. You'll like this. You'll go, I'm impressed with that. I like it a lot. All right, 1 minute to go. Stick with me 1 minute and I'll do it for you. Here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute to go before we ring the bell. Yes, in French. I thought you were. Welcome, Felician, and our guests from around the world, especially in France today. Welcome to all of you.
Bienvenue Felician et j'en ferai faire le tour du monde, surtout en France aujourd'hui. Bienvenue à vous tous.
There you go. See? Told you I could do it. 30 seconds to go. There you go. You like that? Hear it again.
Bienvenue Felician et j'en ferai faire le tour du monde, surtout en France aujourd'hui. Bienvenue à vous tous.
There you go. All right. It's 10 seconds to go. Here we go. And here we go. The bell is sponsored this afternoon by Sensei Crypto in... There you go. The bell has now gone. This is the Martyn Lucas Investor Stock Exchange bell. You can sponsor this bell. You can sponsor this bell as well. And very, very exciting it is as well. It's very exciting. As you can see, it's a very exciting thing. You can ring your very own bell and be famous for doing it. All right. How about that? Okay, here we go. Pop back on YouTube. You better be on YouTube. All you got to do is like it on the other platforms, but on YouTube and Rumble is where we earn the money, all right? I don't get paid by Mark Zuckerberg. I get paid by Google and Rumble, all right? I don't get paid on Facebook. Don't start watching me on Facebook, otherwise there's going to be hell up. Anyway, welcome in. Solity for yeah, okay, Jojo S. I can't read that out. That's why I've got the technology. That's why I've got the technology, all right? That's what I do. Okay, here we go. The overall portfolio is coming up again. The S&P is coming up. Procter & Gamble is coming up after hours. Nice VDC is coming up after hours. Virgin Galactic is flat after hours. Are we going to get a sell-off? We've got plenty of money to buy it back if it does. We've got $1,200 in our Roth, and we've got 4,000 just under in our main account, so we are ready to buy it again. Rumble, Virgin Orbit, Mullen still going down, Rivian, Tesla. We trimmed off the top, very happy to do so. Tilray, we took some money out of it. Absolutely right, absolutely right. The right thing to do. We took some money out of it. Now we can buy it back when it goes down, if we feel so fit. But right now, though, we've put our money in the staples for the dividends, the security, and when the bull market starts, remember, which some say it already has, that doesn't mean to say your safe stocks don't go anywhere. They just don't go up as fast as the other stocks. It's not like J&J doesn't make any money, it goes backwards. That's not the case. It just doesn't grow as fast. So you take the profits when you get pump days, and then you buy the dips because they get sold. Because where's the money come from? Money's got to come from somewhere. No one's got free unlimited money. They sell their J&J, they sell their Coca-Cola, they sell their P&G, they sell their McDonald's, and they buy the high risk. That's where it comes from. Thank you, Martin. You are the best stock expert. Vote Martin 2024.
Bienvenue Felician et j'en ferai faire le tour du monde,
Hey!
surtout en France aujourd'hui. Bienvenue à vous tous.
Flipping right. There we go, Felician. There you go. All right then. Now then, we've got a lot to. We're going to finish up the show right now because we've got a lot to talk about. First of all, we're giving away. Yes, we are. We're giving away $100 in cash on June the 9th. I'm excited about that. There's free money. Go and claim it. Free on Rumble, free on YouTube. Free. It's free everywhere, but I can only send the links on those two places. You got it? You got it. I'm also going to give you. Some extra tickets if you subscribe for free to my newsletter. You can always unsubscribe whenever you want. Remember, we've got about 10 people who've signed up for the newsletter that have not verified it. They click on it and don't read it. It says verify your email. It sends you an email. It goes into your junk folder because it's a newsletter. Verify it. Otherwise, you won't see it, and it might come on your junk folder on Sunday. Make sure that you verify it. Okay, there's that. If you want some free stocks between $550 and $200, not $500, $500 and $200, we're giving away free shares on Robinhood. I will support you, help you, and I will share with you what I get. I get $5 as well, between $500 and $200 as well. So we both get free stocks. There's my Robinhood link if you want to get free stocks. All right. If you want to vote on our poll, or you want to hear and see and all the fun and the games of what I'm doing on Twitter every day, I tell you about my trades before I make them on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Take part in our polls for Mullen and Virgin Galactic. There is the link in the chat. Okay, we're going to end the show right now. We've gone past time. Result of the poll. Here we go, Crag. The result of the poll is, should I get a goatee from Crag? Not from Crag, literally. It was his poll. He's not going to sell me a goatee. I've got to grow it. The poll says, should I get a goatee from Crag? Forget the Crag bit. That's confusing everybody. Should I get a goatee? 64% say yes. Should I grow one? Should I grow one just for a few days? Oh. Just for a few days. It will take about 2 weeks just to get some sort of goatee ear. The poll says yes. I need super chat convincing. I'll tell you what I'll do then. Because the poll won, how many people are watching? There are 10 on Rumble, and there are, how many is there watching on YouTube? 36. So 10%, 3.6. At both channels, if I get 4 super chats, even if it's just $1, I'll do it. I'll grow a goatee just for the hell of it. But I'm not doing it for free. I want 4 super chats. If I get 4 super chats, I will grow a goatee. It'll take about 2 weeks, and I'll do it. And then just watch the subscribers come flooding in. If everyone subscribes for it, then I won't get rid of it. But I'll do it if I get 4 super chats. If I don't, I ain't. So it's up to you. It's up to you. All right? It's up to you. If you want it, if I get 4 super chats, I'll do it. Because I'll say, Leah, sorry, babe, but I got paid. I got paid to do it. So I've got to do it. It's my job, isn't it? I'm an entertainer, right? If they pay for it, they can have it. 4 super chats, I'll do it. Let me have a look. I got a comment here in French. I want to read it out. Let's read this comment out. Okay. Let me read this out.
Martyn is learning French. I am in the Paris region and you?
Martyn apprend le français. J'y suis en région parisienne et toi?
See? Anyway, I got 1. I need 3 more super chats, and then I'm going to grow a goatee. It'll take 2. I can't believe I'm agreeing to this. Only if I get 3 more super chats. Otherwise, you've got no chance. Yes, watch the subscribers come flooding in. J&J. So let's have a little look. Oh, hang on. We've got another comment here. Thank you very much indeed. Let me read the comment out. It's in French, I think. Let's have a little look. What does it say?
In Ireland, I worked in Paris years ago, at Darty, Kingfisher.
En Ireland, j'ai travaillé à Paris il y a des années, chez Darty, Kingfisher. J'avais un appartement à l'île de la Jatte. Best days of my life for sure.
Ooh, best days of my life. Best days of my life. That sounded pretty English to me, if I'm honest. That sounded pretty English to me. I've had the best days of my life. That sounded English. That's the French look. See, they're translating and it sounds just like English to me. That sounded pretty English to me. I'm just saying. And anyway, very nice indeed. I like translating these things, learning things. Do you provide signals? We have, yes, we do. We have Ed Nevius who does all the charts for us here. Yes, we do. But see below, Seal, you need to watch us on YouTube. If you want me to share you the links, be able to talk to Ed Nevius, our chart readers, then yes, you need to jump into YouTube. And we can put youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. We're live right now for the last few minutes. And yes, we provide you all the links, all the information, 10 hours a day, 24 hours a day on our Discord for you. We're here to help people. We give away free money. We want to be the best, most honest, real channel on YouTube. That's what we aim to be. Okay. Tilray kept on going down, so I'm glad I trimmed off the top. Hood, it's not quite there. I could trim it, but I'm not going to. Because I don't need the money to buy anything. If I needed the money to buy something, I would, but I don't. Robinhood can make money because as we enter a bull market, people will jump into it and it will make money by default. I was going to grow a goatee if I got, because we had a poll, and if I got 4 super chats, I've had 1. If I had 3 more, I will grow a goatee just for Crag. But I only got 1, and we're about to end the show, so too bad. It ain't going to happen now. Rio Tinto. Oh, hello. See Below Seal has liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you very much indeed. Ion Q, Robinhood. So we're going to end the stream now. See if we got any more people for our giveaway. Here's our cash giveaway, right? Let me go over to it now. This is our free, whoops-a-daisy. This is our free cash giveaway. We're giving away $100 live on the show. How nice are we? We just like doing it. We just like doing it, all right? $100, and we're going to share with you the link one final time, and then I'm going to get off. I'm going to make a couple of videos for the morning, and we've got a new service where we have breaking news at 6 a.m. in the morning, and so it goes an hour before the show, all right? So if you want our giveaway, let's have a quick look. Here is our giveaway now. Let's have a quick look. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. 3,984 tickets. Remember, you can win with 1. And some people have hundreds because they do it more than once. Let's refresh it. 3984 4400. Hey, brilliant stuff. Now, don't forget, if you try and scam me, you will never win. Right? My server, if you try to create multiple addresses from the same location, it won't pick you. If you try to cheat, it won't pick you. So please don't go to that trouble. You're wasting your time. You're not wasting my time, because the system knows and it will just delete you. So if you are a real person, not a bot, and you really want to win, just do it the good old-fashioned way. Go onto our competition page. You can win points, free tickets, just by visiting this website. Come back every day, and we give free tickets every day just by coming back. Follow me on Rumble, you get 25. Watch Sensei's crypto TikTok video, you get 25. You can win with 1 ticket, or you can get as many as you like. If you watch this video here, leave the comment, leave the magic number. If you want more tickets, they are in our newsletter. It's free. It's free. You can unsubscribe at any point. The same thing. Don't subscribe with 50 emails. It will just delete you. It wastes your time, not mine. And if we get duplicate IP addresses, even if you use a VPN, we know IPs behind VPN. You're just wasting your time. It's not wasting my time. You're just wasting your time. So I'm just trying to be fair to everybody. Don't try and scam me, and because it will never work. If we super chat for a goatee, how long are you growing it for? 30 days for $30. Yes, fair enough. We'll have a proper one. 30 days for $30. I need 3 more super chats. We've got 1. If you want me to do it, it's 3 more super chats. All right. And we're running out of time because I'm just about to go. Julie Madana-Leach is now following on Facebook. Thank you very much indeed, Julie. How are you, Julie? Where are you from, Julie? She's watching me on Facebook. We got a Julie here. I'd love to know where Julie's from, wouldn't you? Does anyone want to know where Julie's from? I want to know where Julie's from. I'm like, who's Julie? Julie, truly Julie. I want to know who she is. I want to know who she is. Anyway, let's have a quick look. Brilliant. Repeat again how to enter the competition. Watching from Botswana. Okay. I will give you the link. Where are you? You're watching me on Facebook. You need to go to martynlucas.com/giveaway. I will go and find you, because I'm nice like this. I'm nice. Where are you watching me right now? You're on Facebook. Let me come and find you and give you the link. Only because you're from Botswana and I like Africa. Africa's great. Here he is. Here's my mate from Africa. We got lots of friends from Africa. Look, there he is, Botswana. There he is. I will like it. I will like that. I will like that. And I will like that. And I will give you the link. Here we go. Reply. I will like it. I will like that. I will like that. I've got to mute that. And I will give you the link. Here we go. All right. I've got to mute that. Okay. Here is the giveaway for you. See, I've come all the way over now to Facebook just to... Whoops, a daisy. I've come over to Facebook now just to give you the comment. You ready? Here it is. There you go. See, look what I've done there. Look, I've given you the comment there. There you go. Right there. Look at that. That's how nice I am. Right? Okay. There you go. Again and again, no one try and cheat it. You're wasting your own time. I just want you to realize that it's a waste of your own time. Okay? If you want to do it, you carry on. It just deletes you all. All right? Okay, it's time to go. Is everybody up? Day trader of the day. Who made the most money today? I'm up 0.39 on my main account, but I'm up much more than that on my Roth IRA. Oh, yes. We're up 2.46. Here we go. Charts are looking good today. Show a quick look on the charts. Do you like that? Do you like my little Bitcoin thing as well? Look, do you like that as well? Is that good or what? It's good, isn't it? It's good. You admit it, it's good, isn't it? Right. Competition is free to enter, but so is smashing the like button. Let's go. Ed Nevius, you tell him, mate. You tell him. It's not hard, is it, to smash the like button? Right, okay. So day trader of the day. Go to your main account. Put on the score your scores. Put on the score your scores. That ain't even a sentence, is it? Put on in the chat your score. Yeah. That's more like it, really. Anyway, here we go. B. Joel. B. Joel has just turned up. Who's B. Joel? Welcome, B. Joel. We've seen you before? I think we have, right? Okay, here we go. Here's the clock. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said chiggy, 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 pow, pow. All right, go to your main account. Go to your main account. Up 0.39. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Up 0.39 percentage points. Post it on the score. Post it on... I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. It doesn't matter. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Max H, 6.34. That's a great score. He's not a member, though. He can't win the prize, though. He's not a member. 6.34. Up 2.31. That's very, very good, Max H. Arlie Leck is now following me on Facebook. I can't believe it. Arlie Leck is now following me on Facebook as well. Up 0.39, up 5.56, up 2.31. We got 30 seconds to go. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said chiggy, 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 pow, pow. All right, 4.05. Let me, up 4.05. Is that the winner? That's the winner from a member, I think, because B. Joe is not a member. Stephen Lewandowski from Florida, 2.31. MSK is up 4.2. Inbound CK. XCX is not a member, so he can't win either. MSK is our winner, our member. We love it. Fantastic. Who's going to win $1 million cash prize? Only joking. Only joking. No one write in. No one write in. Because there's no one going to answer that email. All right? I am only on my other YouTube as a member on my phone right now. Oh, I am on my other YouTube. I am a member on my phone right now. Max H. Max H, he's right. Max H is on his other account. That's okay. We take it then. It's Max H. MSK has been beaten by Max H. Max H said, this is my other account. And I am on my on my phone. This is my other account. I believe him. I'll believe him. You ready? Thank you very much for your honest trade. Congratulations, Max H and MSK just behind. Thank you very much indeed. Happy to be a joint winner with Stephen Lewandowski. Well, you're not now. You've been you're second with Max H. Anyway, here comes the congratulations. Oh yeah. Brilliant. That's it. I am, we didn't get, there's no goatee. Raymond Goldberg has liked the stream. I can't believe how fast we're growing on Facebook now. It's mental. If you keep going, folks, eventually you'll break the algorithm. You either break it or die. I mean, one of the two. And I'm still alive, so there you go. I'm on my other phone. Do you win something? You don't, because you're not a member. You don't win nothing. Get them, guys. Congratulations. Congratulations, Max. I never mind. Oh, never mind. Yeah, never mind indeed. Right, I got one super chat. Someone said, who was it who said $30 for 30 days? I didn't get it, though. So there's no goatee. I am not waking up tomorrow morning growing a goatee. You had the chance. You blew it. So that's it. Poor old Crag. He went, I gave $1 for that. I gave $1. I thought people would do it. Well, they didn't. So you're out of luck. You're out of luck. Right, let me grow through the stocks. We're back in the morning. Look, make sure that you join in early tomorrow morning because I have special videos that come out at 6 a.m. in the morning, which is midday in the UK, just before the main show starts. I have a couple of premieres and stuff like that, and it's all very exciting. It's me, Snowball, Raymond Goldberg. It's me, Snowball. You're on Facebook. What are you doing on Facebook? What's he doing on... Could someone explain to him what's he doing? He's gone to the wrong place. He's gone to the wrong place. I've now got to go into Facebook, find Raymond Snowball. Unbelievable this is. I've got to go and... I can't believe I'm doing this. I've got better things to do. Here we go. I'm going to go to Facebook now, find Raymond Snowball and say, Raymond, what are you doing over there? By the way, Raymond Snowball, you're like me. You're a diver. I'm an open water diver too. Oh yeah, I got my open water diver, advanced diving. It's me, Snowball. There you go. Here's the link to YouTube. Unbelievable. Snowball, you're unbelievable. You're giving me extra work. You better come into YouTube now. Right, there's the link. If you don't come into YouTube now, there's going to be hell up. Right, look, see here? It's posting. There it is. Click on it. I'll even start the music again. I'm on YouTube too. How can you be on YouTube too? I don't see you on YouTube. Who are you? Do you mean to say I did all that for you for no reason? You're already here. Are you telling me that? Are you telling me that? Did you rub my lamp? Did you wake me up after 2,000 years? Raymond Goldberg is now following me on Facebook. Right, where is he then on YouTube? Who are you on YouTube? I don't see you here. He's going, I'm here in YouTube. No one sees him. Does anyone see Raymond Goldberg? Shooby-doo. We're going to wait 30 seconds for him, otherwise I'm going to go. There will be more opportunities, I'm sure. You will grow a moustache for charity in November. Raymond Goldberg, you're winding me up now. You're on Facebook. That ain't YouTube. See the little Facebook logo? That gives it away, let's see. That gives it away. Right, I'm done with this nonsense. Now, 5,017. Very, very nice indeed. $100 cash we're giving away. I love it. I love giving people money. It's fun, right? It's fun, right? Okay. That's it. Time's up. Are you off? Yes, I'm out of here. I'm going. Because Raymond Goldberg never made it. I'm back in the morning. Max Hindley is now following me on Facebook. Right, roll the credits. Roll the credits because you're wasting my time now. I'm getting out of here. Here's the credits. See you back in the morning, nice and early. Another show, another day. Eric B gave me $2. We had a super chat from Sanal L and Crag. New followers, Arlie Leck, D4, Danny 333. New subscriber, HYXZE1. And Crag gave me a super chat. Raymond Goldberg, there he is. There he is, live on the show. Welcome, Raymond Goldberg. There he is. See you back in the morning. Good night, everyone. Back live in the morning. Until then, as always, as every day, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.